You wanted me to let you know what do I think about WMA. Initially, when I wanted to do this course, I definitely went and did a little research, and I went to check different university, very similar ones, what they were offering and what kind of course structure they had, what content they had, and what I think where WMA stands apart from those institutes is the way they have designed their program. It's more of vertical specialist, I should say. If somebody wants to do in journalism, somebody wants to do it in media, somebody wants to do it in social media, or somebody wants to do it in PR. So that way, the programs or the courses are very target oriented towards what each student would want. Second was it was a concise program, so it was not spread over about 6 months or 8 months. I mean, you could choose your courses, and every one of them is about 15 weeks, which is fairly good. And third, very important thing is that they have the people from the industry, which are the working professionals. So it's just not the theory, because in today's world, practicality is very important. You get to know what exactly is going in the industry, what the industry trend is, and because it's an industry which is changing very fast. So these were the three things which primarily drew me towards the WMA. I also think you wanted to know why did I join this course. See, I worked for over a decade, starting with events, and then moved on to the communication department for about a couple of years, and then I took a break. Now I want to come back to the industry, and I realize that in these years, if something has changed, then because of technology, it's the way we communicate with people. And I thought if I want to join back the industry, it is very important that I get to know what is the current trend, be it in PR or be it in social media, what is the current trend going on. And that's why I took up this course. So basically, I'm looking forward to enhance my skill in these two areas. So when I go back to industry, I'm full hands-on. Would I recommend to the media people? Definitely, why not? I mean, it's a place where you can learn, be very specific, subject-oriented, you can do it. So definitely I would recommend it to the media lovers. Any last message I want to give it to them? I think it's not only for this industry, but any industry that if you're working, times are not like old times, things are changing very fast. So if you can keep up to the industry, whatever age you are, if that means getting back to, brushing up your knowledge, or joining some group, joining some institute, any industry that if you're working, times are not like old times, things are changing very fast. So if you can keep up to the industry, whatever age you are, if that means getting back to, brushing up your knowledge, or joining some group, joining some institute, do it. There's no harm in learning at any age, and WMA is the place to be. And to all my viewers, good luck to everybody. All right.